Joe Beermaster, we have a 2017 Cadillac XT5. I'm going to show you how to replace this taillight or take it out. This one's particularly difficult. You want to open the hatch. It's an automatic hatch, and we do have a new taillight. So what we have to do is take these two screws out here. They're hex heads. And then once we have them out, you have to take the bumper cover off. This is just a filler. It's not a whole cover, it's just this piece. Because underneath this light is this little support for the bumper cover, so you do have to recess this back. So we took this bolt out, this bolt out. You have to get inside the fender well with a screwdriver, pull this back, and there's a little 7mm in there. And then we work this off, the molding, wheel opening molding. And behind here is another 7mm. It's right in there, we took it out. So once you have that out, just a matter of clipping it, unclipping it. And we're going to do that. Work it out. Work it out. We have to use two hands here. Alright, so we got this off. Now we could pull the light out. We might have to hit it a little bit because there's some grommets in there in the back. You can see them here. They go into a socket, so you have to wiggle it out. If you can't wiggle it out, you want to kind of hit it off to the side. You want to use two hands. And you want to work it out. Pulled it out. And there you go. We got that out. This is a sealed unit. You can't replace a bulb. And then we're going to slide this little red clip over. Alright. And once we get that, I'm going to figure this one out here. And there you go. I'll put this red lock back in. Alright. Upside down. Alright, and then we just reassemble it the same way we took it off. Alright, so we slid the light in and we're going to test it. Make sure it's working. Yep, brake light, right turn signal. Blinker's good. So before you put it all together, you want to test the lights because you don't want to find out that you have it all together and there's an issue.
Yeah.
And now we're going to just click everything back, put the screws in, and there you go. That was a tough one and tricky one. I like doing videos on the tricky ones. So Joe Beermaster, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.